Caribbean girl, them pretty, pretty. European girl, them pretty, pretty. London girl, them pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a review on Voogue Me eyeglasses. I'll just give you a little backstory on how I came across this company. I'm not affiliated or anything. Maybe one day I will be. But pretty much I've seen a lot of like Instagrammers, influencers, YouTubers. I've seen them like on their pages. They would have these dope glasses, all these stylish glasses. And pretty much long story short, I needed to get my eyes checked. Like the glasses that I have currently, like I had them for like 6 years. They were like Dolce & Gabbana glasses. They were really good, but you know, you're supposed to get your eyes checked every year. And I did get my eyes checked last year, but I just didn't go and buy glasses because I didn't feel like spending tons of money on glasses, and I wanted them to be stylish. So this year when I found this company through the other YouTubers or Instagrammers or influencers, I went on their website and I noticed that they had really affordable, stylish glasses. So right away, like I pulled up to Target, I got my eyes checked, I got my prescription. On that topic, one measurement that you will need to order these glasses is your PD measurement. However, the website does provide like a ruler that you like put over your eyes to measure what your PD measurement is. But what I would say is, like, when you're at the eye doctor, try to get that measurement on your prescription so you don't have to go through all of that like me. So I personally did not use the ruler from the website. On iPhone, there was like this app where you put like this magnetic card, like a magnetic card on your forehead, and then it like captures what your PD is. It's weird, but I got my PD measurement. It was 63. And you know, I put that in on the prescription, and the prescription that Target Optical gave me, and I ordered my glasses. It wasn't too expensive, guys. Like, these glasses were really affordable. Even if you don't want prescription glasses, these glasses come in like non-prescription lens too. So if you just want to be styling, you can just style in these glasses. Overall, like the frames that I chose, one was $6.95 for the frame, and then the other one was like $20, I believe. And then you gotta add like what type of lens you want, like what kind of coating. Like I added all of that. They have all these different options, but just know the more options you add on it, the higher the cost of the glasses that they will be. So I just added mine's all up, and in total, I believe they had a promotion also. It was like buy one get one half off. They had promotions, guys. So like stylish promotion, like that's all me. Like that's calling my name all along the line. But they had a promotion where it was like buy one get one half off, and in total I spent like $70 on 2 pairs of glasses. Like, guys, like my Dolce and Gabbana glasses were like 2 something, and that's why I kept them for 6 years. But let's just get right into this review. So I did open the box, but I actually have not tried on these glasses yet, and I paid for expedited shipping because it's the holiday time. Like, I probably wouldn't have got these glasses until like sometime in January, and I wanted them like before that. So I paid for expedited shipping. They got here pretty fast. I would say in like 5 days it got here. And let's just get right into the review here. So it comes in this case. I have not tried these on, guys, so you're actually seeing this before me even seeing this, how they look on me. So comes in a case, comes nicely wrapped. Comes with a little plastic on it. so careful. And wow, look at this. Already I see like nice quality. I did an all metal cat eye kind of aviator gold frame, and I'm just gonna try them on. Like, wow, like this is definitely my prescription. I can definitely see. I'm nearsighted, by the way, so yeah, about that. But overall, like, this is great. They got my prescription spot on. Like, I'm looking at my kitchen right now and I can see like everything clear. But yeah, I don't know how I look with these yet because this is the first I'm trying it on. So tell me what you think. Like, do I look wormy? Do I look cute? Do I look nerdy? Like, what you think? Am I styling? Am I batty? Come on, guys, let me know. So that's my thoughts on this. Really dope. I just like how it looked out of the packaging, so I'm hoping that it looked good on me. Now, these were the ones that were like $20, but let's see how the $6 ones look. So for the $6 ones, I went for a plastic frame, thick plastic frame, so I could have the best of both worlds. Gonna open this up. All right, these are super cute. They're two-tone, so they're brown, like a, I don't know how to say that word, but like a brown and black kind of pattern, and then pink on the side, like a muted nude kind of pink. So okay, how do I look, guys? I hope I don't look crazy. Again, I have no idea what I look like with these glasses on because I did not try them on, even though on the website, like, they do have that thing that you click try on now, and like you take a picture of your face and you put the glasses on. I believe that that is good, but like I feel like you won't know until you physically have them. But I hope this looks good. I hope it looks cute. Let me know what you think about these as well. And then let's see what else they put in this box, because there's some other things in here that they provided in the box. So let's see. So $15 off coupon. Probably definitely will be using that. Promotion saving card. Okay, definitely will use that. They provided the bags for the glasses with the prescription on it. That comes in there. This is the ruler that I was referring to with like your PD measurement, like, so they have instructions on their website for that. And then it comes with like a little keychain. This is cute, just in case you have an emergency, like your screws start to fall out. So they have the two different type of screwdrivers, flathead, and I want to call this a hex head, but I could be wrong if that's the name. But that's pretty dope. Put this on your keys. If your glasses are falling apart, you have that there. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hopefully I'll be doing more reviews like this too. So looking forward to doing that, and until then, stay tuned. Go ahead and click that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in.